Okay, good Tuesday evening, everybody. David Paul here in the KHOU 11 Weather Center. We're going to have some thunderstorms tomorrow. Could have some isolated severe thunderstorms. I think widespread rain is the biggest threat. Let's go over all the moving parts. As we look outside right now, radar is quiet. We have a few very light scattered sprinkle showers from Brenham to Bryan to Madisonville. Huntsville has had a sprinkle here and there, but we're quiet right now, and I think we'll stay that way overnight. It's west central Texas that's lit up like a Christmas tree. Tornado watch, all the counties in red from the Big Bend all the way up through Oklahoma. That tornado watch actually extends all the way up to Chicago tonight. Big severe weather outbreak with the springtime storm system rolling through. Already have had several tornado warnings here. These are a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings out here near Del Rio. They've got a flood advisory for Del Rio. Kerrville, that's a tornado warning just south and east of Kerrville, just north of San Antonio. So the hill country getting impacted tonight. Mean line of thunderstorms here between Abilene and Dallas, I-20. Wichita Falls just had a storm go through. So that's what's going on right now. We are avoiding all of that tonight. They've got a level 3 out of 5 tiered threat for west central Texas and the hill country tonight. So they're busy there tonight. We're quiet, warm and breezy. That's the setup. Low pressure here. There are the storms in central Texas tonight. We are quiet. That is a band of snow from Denver all the way to the Great Lakes. Chicago's got a mix of rain and sleet and thunder right now with this complex dynamic storm system coming in. Upper low moves into Houston tomorrow. Early afternoon through early evening. That's the window of time that you could get a thunderstorm no matter where you are in southeast Texas. Brenham, Houston, Galveston, Huntsville. I'll walk you through the high-res modeling on this in just a minute. We are tomorrow on a level 2 out of the 5-tiered threat for a severe thunderstorm from north of Houston, Spring, Huntsville, Livingston, Humble, Kingwood, and then south of that it's a level 1. When we have that type of a threat, we usually see a few severe thunderstorm warnings during the time frame, which is about 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. And we can get an isolated tornado warning, which means hail, gusty wind, heavy rain, straight line wind, street ponding, all in play during the day tomorrow. Rain totals, when it's all said and done, after Wednesday through into early Thursday morning when the rain will exit, rain totals somewhere between a ½ inch and 2 inches widespread across southeast Texas. Let's walk through this. So here we are now, quiet, warm, breezy. It'll be like that overnight. This is 2:30 a.m. in the morning. Hopefully you're asleep. Just a few isolated showers, especially north and west of Houston by 2:30 in the morning, going to 7:30 in the morning, and there will be a few pockets of light rain, maybe some moderate rain in spots up north, but really not much going on in the morning. A few showers, warm, breezy, humid. The activity at 7:30 in the morning is still here in central Texas. We go into 1 o'clock, and this is when we get this nice, well-defined line of thunderstorms developing out here from Victoria to west of Columbus to Brenham to Bryan. That's at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Let's roll this forward just a little bit. So by the time we get to 2:30, we're getting rain in Houston, but the stronger weather is going to be out here. We'll roll into 4:30, and the line kind of becomes diffuse. We have one line here. Looks like the models want to form another one here. So to try to nail down an exact time as to when it's going to hit your neighborhood is just not possible. It's a window between 1 o'clock and 9 o'clock. 8 p.m., I think at that point, most of the severe threat will be pushing toward the Texas-Louisiana border. And then this will be an area of widespread moderate rain with cloud-to-cloud lightning and thunder, but not severe. But that's the upper level low coming in behind the storms out ahead of it. So that upper level low takes all evening to push through. That's midnight 30 Thursday morning, and after that, the rain will come to an end. And by 5 a.m., we get a north wind, then we'll be cooler, and it will be beautiful Thursday and Friday. Then I wanted to show you this. Warmer than normal next week out west, but colder than normal east half of the country, and that does include the Houston area. For a couple of days next week, we're going to be chilly, and you're going to need your sweaters. Here's what's happening. While we've been warming up, winter has maintained its icy grip on Canada. Churchill's 15 below right now. Kugluktuk's 18 below. Old Crow's 11 below. That's going to get a kick to the south into the lower 48 as the upper level winds become very troughy. Look at that big smiley face. When you get that, and especially when you've got a ridge out here, that's just funneling cold air south out of Canada. The coldest air will be over the Great Lakes. We will get a glancing blow. And what does that mean for temperatures? We can just start with that. Monday and Tuesday, lows in the 40s, highs in the low to mid 60s. That means Monday and Tuesday, we're going to spend most of the day in the 40s and 50s. Sweater weather. Come back to tomorrow, weather impact alerts in effect, rain and thunderstorms. Again, the window for you to get a thunderstorm where you live, 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. After that, rain until midnight, but the severe threat will end after that. And then we get cooler and beautiful Thursday and Friday. Saturday and Sunday, 60s and 80s, beautiful warm weekend. And then we get cold going into Monday, Tuesday of next week. That'll be interesting. That's where we stand. Next live updates on KHOU 11 News at 10 o'clock. We'll see you then.